Earlier this week, I was able to have a session with my spiritual director, and we reflected on an experience I had a couple of Sundays ago. It occurred during communion as I was distributing the Blessed Sacrament. And I was caught up in a moment when I was holding the Blessed Sacrament in front of those coming forward, in front of you all. I realized that I was looking on the face of someone who was looking at God. And I began to see in each and every face the beauty that is there, and the hopes and the struggles, all of that was being brought to God. And for a moment, I do believe our Lord allowed me to know the joy that He feels as He looks on your faces. For a moment, I experienced that great joy, that great love. And that's a gift that has remained with me these past few weeks. I'm so grateful to be here. I shared in my 30th anniversary, I was privileged to have Bishop Beckman there. I shared at my 30th anniversary, all I've ever wanted to do is be a priest. That's all I've ever wanted to do. And I hope that I will be a good priest, a good pastor to you. Please pray for me and know that every day I pray for you. God bless.